Hi everyone. Today we are going to see mean median mode for discrete data. What is discrete data? Discrete data is nothing but data is with the frequency. Actually, x is the data, f is the frequency here. And in a class, 10 students scored 40 marks means the marks called as x, and 10 students, the number of students is frequency. That's it. So here the number of value n we find using the summation of frequency. Total frequency is number of value. Okay. So first we see the formulas for finding mean value for discrete data. Here mean x bar equal to sigma f into x divided by sigma f. Already I told the summation of data. Here the data with frequency and divided by total number of data. The total number of data here we find using summation of frequency. Okay. So sigma fx divided by sigma f. Here x is the data values and f is the corresponding frequency, and summation of the frequency is total frequency, number of data, total number of data. Okay. So the median formula, mean means average, so we find the average using fx, frequency with data divided by number of frequency, right? Here the median means middlemost value. The middlemost value, first of all we need to arrange the data in ascending order and then find the cumulative frequency and find n by 2. N means the number of frequency, total number of frequency is called n. So summation of f is called n, right? So the total of frequency divided by 2 we have to determine. Next, the median value we find using the cumulative frequency. So whose cumulative frequency is equal to just greater than this n by 2, that frequency is called the median. Okay, so middle value n by 2, the middle value, nearby the middle value which is corresponding frequency is there, we find the median there. Okay, I will explain using the example. And mode means the most repeated value in individual data. Here the mode means where the highest frequency is there, the corresponding data is called the mode. Highest frequencies corresponding data is called mode. Okay, so here one example problem for your understanding. Find the mean median mode for the following data. Here x data given and f, the number of frequencies given. 10 students, then 10 marks, 3 students can score. 20 marks, 5 students scored. 30 marks, 8 students. So these are the number of students. So total number of students is n. Okay, so summation of f, sigma f. So here this is the average formula, mean formula for discrete data. Here we arrange the x value given f value and multiply f and x, 10 into 3, 20 into 5. So as like, so fx, that this is the total of fx, summation of fi xi. Okay, ma? So in our formula we find the fi xi here. Okay, so fi xi we find, and here this is the n value. N value means the summation of f. Total frequency is called the n. Okay, so this is the f value, total of f. Okay, so the summation of f is called n value. Okay, here number of values. This is the formula, sigma fx divided by sigma f. Okay, average we find. This is mean. Okay, mean value is 34.33. Fine, next, median value for the discrete data. So to find the median value for the discrete data, first of all we arrange into ascending order, minimum to maximum. Okay, all the data should be arranged as minimum to maximum and the frequencies. Okay, so this is the cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? The next data should be added cumulatively. Okay, the successive data added cumulatively. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 7. So 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. Okay. 27 plus 3, 30. So likewise you have to add, that is cumulative frequency. The final number is the summation of f, that is the n value, number of data. Okay. So here n divided by 2 we need to find, this, that is step 2, and nearer to this n divided by 2, which x data should be, that is called the median value. Okay, ma? What is n value? N value, n by 2 value is 15, right? So we see the table. Nearby 15, what is the cumulative frequency? So that is called the median value. Okay. So what is the nearby value to 15? 16 is the very nearer value to 15, right? So the corresponding data, what is the corresponding data? 30 is the corresponding data. This is called the median, middlemost value. Okay. N by 2, the nearby n by 2 value, we have to check in frequency. The corresponding data is called the median value. Okay, ma? So n by 2 na, it gives the middle value, right? Average, center value. So that is center value. What is the value in the cumulative frequency is nearer to that center? That is the middle value. Okay, the data is called the middle data, median data. Fine. Good. Next, mode. Mode na, individual data la most repeated value. Here, what is the value corresponding to the highest frequency is called the mode. Yes, what is the highest frequency in the given frequency? In that given frequency, which one is the highest frequency? 8 is the highest frequency. Okay. In the F, given F, which one is the greatest F? Here 8 is the greatest F. The corresponding data is called the mode. So here median and mode both are same for this problem. Not for every problem. In this problem, median and mode both are same. Here 30 is the mode. So the maximum frequencies corresponding data is called the mode. The maximum frequency is 8. The corresponding data for 8 is 30. So therefore the mode is 30. So here recall mean sigma fx divided by sigma f, the frequency into data, summation of frequency into data divided by total frequency. Median, cumulative frequency we need to find. N by 2 we find, which is the nearest cumulative frequency for n by 2. Its corresponding data, given data x is called median, middlemost value, and mode, the maximum frequencies corresponding data is called a mode. Okay, that's all. So in next video, thank you. In next video we will meet with mean, median, mode of continuous data. Okay, thank you. See you again. Bye.